Are you struggling to find research papers or articles without wasting a lot of money on subscriptions for those journals and articles? Don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the most relevant tool that you can use to access freely research papers. All I request from you is to stay with me from the beginning up to the end of this video, not forgetting to simply subscribe, like, comment, and share. So let's dive in. Here we are on our website of Scientific Research, an academic publisher, and displaying that there are resources which are in open access, as well as simply logging in. But for us, we are not going to log in. They went on to display the home, articles, journals, books, news, about, services, and submit. And they're telling us that it is a scientific research publishing. You can as well search by title or using keywords, authors, and etc. Then you click on search. On our dashboard on the left, we see that there are journals from A to Z, meaning they are alphabetically arranged. In different subjects, that is biomedical and life sciences, business and economics, chemistry and materials sciences, computer sciences and communication, earth and environmental sciences, engineering, medicine and healthcare, physics and mathematics, social sciences and humanities. You can as well publish with them by submitting your research paper, or they also provide information for authors, as well as peer reviewing the research papers that you submit. Open special issues are also there. Open access statement is also there. FAQ, and they're telling you that you can follow them on X, which is Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth, or contact them on those details that you're seeing. So what are we going to do? Because we are seeing the recent published papers, but for us today we want to make research on Ebola. So I'm going to use Ebola as my key word. Ebola. Then I'll click on search. It redirects me to the page with results, and you're seeing that I have different research papers on Ebola in 2018, 2022, 2021, 19, 16, 16 again, 17, and so on and so forth. Remember, when you're doing research, it's better to always go with years that are current. So what are we going to do now? We are going to be using all those papers for our research. So for today, let me select the first one. It's of a title that goes factors prognosis of Ebola virus disease at Won King Fong Ebola Treatment Center. It's located in Guinea. And this is our what? Our author. Oh, these are the authors that wrote this paper. They're telling us that this paper is of volume 8 and number 3, released or published in 2018 on September 19th. How can you access it? You can access it using this DOI. And these are the different number of downloads or people who have already used or downloaded this article, to mean people are using it for their research. These are the views and these are the citations. If at all you want to see how it was cited, you will click there and they will show you how it was cited on Google Scholar. So there we are, and when I click on that paper, it brings me the different formats that you can access. You can access it in PDF, HTML, XML, and so on and so forth. So this is the abstract. If you want the abstract, with its background details, keywords, they are saying that you can share and cite. Now, there we go. Our introduction, the materials, study population, data correction, results. I think you're seeing. Conclusion, conflicts of interest, and the references. And they're telling us that this paper is copyrighted and it was released in 2026 by Authors and Scientific Research Publishing Inc. That is the publisher. This work and the related PDF file are licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License. So, once again, it's been Career Fred with you. Let's meet in the next one. See you.